na nakausap kita during the early fourth quarter. Ang sinabi mo lang sa akin is kailangan yung tatagan at tugunan yung depensa ng Palawan. At kahit lumapit sila, you were composed and binigay mo lahat para makuha nyo tong championship title na to. Can I just ask, how did you stay managed well and composed?
Stay composed lang kami and nag-usap-usap kami as a team. Yun lang po.
Anong masasabi mo sa naging performance mo and ng Makabango San Juan today?
Thank you ko sa kanila dahil andyan sila lagi sa akin na para supportahan ako. And syempre, hindi ko naman ito makukuha kung wala sila. And sa coaches ko.
Andre, congratulations, you got a double-double performance, 25 points and 15 rebounds. You guys dominated today's win. Anong pwede mong pasalamatan? Any shoutouts you would like to make?
Syempre, unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord dahil binigyan niya tong game. And shoutout sa family ko and sa San Beda community and sa San Juan Mighty Warriors family and sa mga supporters ng San Juan Mighty Warriors. And sa mga teammates ko and kay Shaima.
Congratulations!